It's a nice mountable table. I was able to fit it right next to my bed. It has a lot of space to keep my hands on, or lean on it if I need to, and I need that kind of space on a table. Finishing is quite nice, zero defects. Overall, a good product. Good product. It's a nice comfortable table. We installed it right next to the bed. Good space to rest my hands on, laptop, few books, a pen stand and a study lamp if need be. Look and feel is very nice. Check snaps for reference. Overall, a good product. I absolutely love the concept, the space-saving idea and the supposedly easy to install claim, but it's a bit difficult to pull off, especially if you are trying to put this up alone. You need at least 2 people to mark the holes, since you can't remove the tabletop because that would mess up the measurements. After the markings are done, you can remove the tabletop and start working, only to realize that the plastic plugs accompanying the screws are made out of an extremely rare. Even if your holes are drilled correctly, you will end up with painful blisters in your palm because of the forceful screwing. So to save yourself the pain, try splitting the plugs in half, cut the top thick portion and once you insert them in the hole, drill them with the thinnest drill bit or just get a technician, but that's a bit difficult given the whole COVID lockdown thing. The final product, if executed correctly, is fantastic and totally worth the juicy blisters. It's sturdy, well built, the compressed wood is fantastic to work on. I think it will be one of the more memorable purchases I've made on Amazon. Very good product, only installation is not included. This folding table is amazing. Big in size and very sturdy. And most importantly very economic as compared to others in this category. Very solid and serves more than one purpose. Very useful for work from home as can easily handle 15-inch laptop with keyboard, mouse and other items. This product is value for money as it's very sturdy. We can use this foldable table as study table as well as for computer table. Easy to install on wall as it comes with manual and 6 nails. It's a must buy for WFH. Only one suggestion, corners should be little curvy. Apart from that I am very happy with product. If you're looking for a bedroom work table, close your eyes and go for it. For the price it is one of the best choice you can find in Amazon or any other online sites. It can hold some real weight. There was small scratch on the table except that it's an awesome purchase. Click link in description for more reviews.